How to create a YNAB account step by step. First of all, open the app on your device and you will see two options. Get started, and I have a YNAB account. Tap on get started to create a new account. Then enter your name and hit continue. After that, fill out the quick questions shown by the app to personalize your setup. Next, you will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. You can also choose to continue with your Google or Apple ID for a faster sign-up process. Here I will go with the email option. Make sure the email you use is active, as YNAB may send important updates or verification links. Once you have entered all the required details, tap Create Account to continue. Now you have successfully created your YNAB account and can now start managing your budget right away. Now you know how to create a YNAB account step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.